Downsizing can feel overwhelming. Revenue drops or market shifts may force tough decisions. You don't want to cut deeper than necessary, leading to decreased morale and productivity. What if you could do it smarter? Enter OKRs, Objectives and Key Results. They offer a clear framework to downsize strategically. When done right, you protect your core mission and your workforce. Here's how you can initiate effective downsizing using OKRs. First, revisit your core mission. Ask yourself, what is our primary purpose? For a tech startup, it could be innovation. Identify which functions align with it and which don't. Next, review your existing OKRs. Analyze their relevance and effectiveness. Focus on objectives that drive survival and growth. Ensure you're aligning key results with immediate needs. Then, identify non-essential functions. Look for low-impact projects to eliminate. Spot underperforming roles that no longer serve your goals. Streamline redundant processes to cut costs. Prioritize efficiency over headcount. Downsizing isn't just about layoffs. Assess if you can reduce unnecessary tools or renegotiate vendor contracts. Cross-train staff to stretch capabilities without adding hires. Make informed cuts. Use data to guide your decisions. Look at metrics regarding revenue and workloads. Avoid cutting crucial roles that impact your customer experience. Don't forget to support your remaining employees. After layoffs, provide clear communication about changes. Offer them resources and foster an environment of recognition and encouragement. By focusing on your core mission, aligning objectives, and ensuring smart cuts, you can navigate downsizing effectively. Remember, it's not just about reducing numbers, it's about sustaining value. Let's make your downsizing plan smart and strategic. For more information, Target Align OKR course and OKR software, please go to www.targetalign.com. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.